9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Good day to everyone. Once again, welcome back to my channel, Power of Mindset Rules. Today I want to take you through a video which responds to this question: can you change your mobile money number, or can you register a new mobile money number with the Deriv? Yes, you can, and this is what I'm going to take you through. So the first point you need to do is to contact the Deriv support via live chat. And as you can see on the screen, this is what I did. Nowadays, the Deriv support team changed the approach when you inbox or when you approach them on WhatsApp, and that is what I'm going to show you, or I'm using the chat when you approach Deriv, whichever message you type, they are likely to show you to begin. Kindly select an option below. Okay, select an option below. So you can see you need to click on these options. Most of the times you may not find what you are looking for. For example, me, I don't usually find what I'm looking for. So what you do in that case, you just select any of your choice, or anything that is related to what you are searching or you want to ask about. All right, my problem was about changing a new mobile money number, or to add a new or register a new mobile money number. So I selected the cashier, and they said, may I know which currency you are referring to? So I chose payment method from this options menu. Then we continued. Please choose one of the following options that best describes your concern with payment agent. I chose the others. Kindly provide a detailed description of your issue before we transfer you to our customer support specialist. Yes, the other thing I want to tell you is that in case you want directly to speak to a person, an individual, a Deriv support team or staff, then continue looking for that option of clicking transfer me to a live chat. So I said I need to register a new mobile money number. Would you like to add a file or image that shows the issue? This will help us resolve it faster. Please select an option. I said no. So they said most of the times you will also be directed here. We currently have your name saved as this. So they have my name as Power of Mindset Rules. Then I said number 1, which is yes. They went ahead and said we currently have your email saved as this. Yes, I said. A code has been sent to your email. Then they sent this code to my email, and I had to copy it and paste it here. So they said, please hold while we connect you to our customer support specialist. And I was connected immediately after 5 minutes. Okay, you can see Queen. Hey there, good day. Welcome to Deriv. Nice to see you here. I'm Queen. I hope you are having a great day. I said yes, I need to register a new mobile money number. To use another payment method with the new number, please make a minimum deposit using a new payment method on this page. So I had to click on this link, and it took me to the Deriv cashier, and I was able to find the option for me to make a deposit using a new mobile money number. Let me show you. So guys, I'm showing you how to add or register a new mobile money number. So you click here, and you are going to use this one. So you click here, new mobile, and then you will input the new mobile, which is this one, and you enter the amount. I want to make a deposit of 60,000 shillings. Then you click on next. So let me wait for the option to input the PIN to allow the deposit of 60,000 shillings for you. So let me input my password, and I'll be back. All right, so you can see the deposit is already made, and shortly the funds will be reflected in my account. That is my CR account. You can see the message, please. All right, so that's it. That's how exactly you make a deposit using a new mobile money number. So subscribe, hit the subscription button, or you can see the funds are here. So subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell icon. Until next time, keep winning.